G'day guys, welcome back to another one. I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but we've just had about 500 to 700 mil of rain in Cairns in the last 3 days. So just taking a quick trip up to Kuranda to go and have a look at the Barron Falls. I've seen a few little videos from there so far and it's absolutely raging. So yeah, we'll take a little walk down there and I'll show you guys when I get there. Not sure if you guys can hear me from the roar from the waterfall, but check this out. Absolutely pumping. We've had about 500 mil of rain here in the last couple of days. She is going hard. Righto, so today I'm actually going up the SKYRAIL and goes from Smithfield in Cairns up to Kuranda. Goes for about 45 minutes. Got my mate Luke here. He flew up from Gladstone yesterday and surprised me. It was my birthday a couple of weeks ago, so yeah, we're just having a little bit of a boys' day out.
Bit of a tourist adventure.
Tourist adventure, go up the top, have a few beers, and yeah, Em will pick us up later. So pretty keen to see the falls from this side. So what do you reckon, Lukey? Bit scared of heights?
The glass bottom's a bit hairy going. I'll stick to the side of it. I won't step on it at all.
They stuffed up Luke's ticket and gave him one from Kuranda back to Smithy, and yeah, so the chick's like, "Oh, I'll put you on a glass bottom one." Bit of a cop out, I think, but anyway, it's pretty cool. So we're off at the first stop. I think it's Red Peak or something. Little 10-minute boardwalk. Go for a lap around here. I don't know if we're going to see much. It's super cloudy here. Look at our full tourist mode. Not much of a view at the moment. looking at Barron Falls from the other side. If you can even hear me, it is so bloody loud here. Oh man. Yeah, it's really cool to come up on the SKYRAIL and see it from the other side, get a whole nother perspective of it. And yeah, it's heaps closer from the SKYRAIL as well. So you can see over there where I'm pointing, that's where the first part of this video is filming from. You can actually drive there, it's about 45 minutes from Cairns. And this time we've come up the SKYRAIL.